How to stop the forgetting curve from stealing your memory. Imagine trying to remember a new phone number, but it slips away just moments after you hear it. That's the forgetting curve at work, showing how quickly we forget new information unless we actively do something about it. The good news is, you can beat this natural process with simple, proven strategies. First, instead of just reading or reviewing your notes passively, try to actively recall the information. For example, after studying a topic, close your book and quiz yourself or write down what you remember. This process strengthens the connections in your brain and makes it easier to remember later. Next, use spaced repetition. Instead of cramming all at once, review the material after 2 days, then after a week, and again after a month. This timing helps your brain reinforce what's important just before it starts to forget it. It's like giving your memory a gentle reminder at just the right moments. Another effective trick is the 2-7-30 rule. Test yourself 2 days after learning something, then again after 7 days, and once more after 30 days. These specific intervals help your brain recognize the information as important, making it stick better. Breaking down complex information into smaller chunks also helps. Instead of trying to remember a long list or complicated idea all at once, split it into manageable parts. Think of it like organizing a big puzzle into smaller sections, making it easier to put together. Connecting new facts to what you already know creates a mental web. When you link new knowledge to existing memories, it becomes easier to find and recall later. For example, relate a new historical date to a story you already remember. Using visual aids like diagrams or mind maps can make a big difference. These tools help your brain process information in different ways. Explaining concepts in simple words, like the Feynman technique, also clarifies your understanding and makes the memory stronger. Finally, avoid long, tiring study marathons. Instead, study in short, focused sessions of 10 to 15 minutes every day. Regular, brief reviews keep your memory fresh and prevent the overload that often leads to forgetting. By combining active recall, spaced repetition, chunking, linking, visual aids, and short study sessions, you can outsmart the forgetting curve. These methods help your brain store information more securely and make it accessible whenever you need it, whether for exams or real-life situations.